Hey everyone, Chef Yoda the dog here, and it's time for the Monday meal. Today's Monday meal is another meal from Frozen. That's right, it is a frozen roast in the slow cooker. Start to finish from Frozen. It's awesome. My mom loves this because she doesn't have to remember to thaw anything out. It's so easy. So give it a watch. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel. We would really appreciate it. Chef Yoda the dog, out.
All right, everyone, happy Monday. As Yoda said, we are making a roast from Frozen in the slow cooker. So we put this 2-pound roast, chuck pot roast beef into the slow cooker. I sprayed it first with olive oil, and then it's down there on the bottom, and it is frozen. And then we put a cup of broth over it. I didn't have beef broth, so I used chicken, but a cup of broth. And then you put the spice mixture and you mix it together and put it on top. And then you do high for 6 hours. So that is what we were doing. So here's the spices. Since this is a 2-pound and the recipe is for a 3 to 4 pound, I did half on the spices. I still did 1 cup of broth though. So I did, instead of 2 teaspoons of onion powder, we have 1. Instead of 2 teaspoons of oregano, we did 1. And then these are all supposed to be a teaspoon each, so we did half. So that's garlic powder, half a teaspoon, thyme, half a teaspoon, and dill, half a teaspoon. But again, mine's 2 pounds. If I had a bigger roast, I would have done the full recipe, which I'm going to link in the description box below. So we're going to let this cook. And then if you want to add carrots or quartered potatoes, you can add those in the last hour of cooking time. So after it cooks 5 hours, put in whatever vegetables you want for the last hour. Okay, so it did not take 6 hours on high. In this slow cooker, it must cook fast. It only took 4. So I shredded it, turned it down, added some frozen onion, and that's all cooked through. So it's done. And in my slow cooker, which apparently cooks really hot, it only took 4 hours, even from Frozen. I checked it, it's supposed to be 145 as the temperature, and it was. So enjoy.